Now we're blanking donuts. This is number 7. Now we're blanking donuts. This is number 8. This is my favorite, number 1. Itong coconut, number 7 yan. Jelly, number 4. Croissants na donut, number 6 ka. Chocolate, gusto ko to, number 2. Powdered, number 5. Sugar, dito ka. Hala, ba't yan? Dito ka. Hala, ba't dyan? Dito ka na lang.